about it. Lisa?
Good morning. When Mr. E. Pat Hall envisioned Carowinds in the late 1960s, he pictured an all-inclusive entertainment destination for all Carolinians, complete with numerous lodging facilities and more. With this year's historic investment in Carowinds, the largest since the park opened, as Pat said, we think Mr. Hall would be very pleased. Later this year, we'll open the doors to our first on-site hotel, a gorgeous 130-room Spring Hill Suites by Marriott. Another first for the park is a new 101-room dormitory with a recreation center. This facility will allow us to expand our internship programs and attract more top-notch tourism and hospitality students from not only across the Carolinas, but from around the world. One more feature we think would please Mr. Hall is the return of a park favorite, but much grander and a bit more striking than he might have imagined. Years ago, Carowinds was home to an area called Blue Ridge Junction. The return of this 7-acre area delivers the charm, beauty, and easygoing feel of the majestic Carolina mountains, and so much more. Creating a completely immersive experience was important to us when we developed this newly themed area. From a massive fireplace hearth where guests can warm up and relax, a new panning for gold attraction, and an old-timey water pump for kids to try, Blue Ridge Junction brings you those unique placemaking opportunities that continue to make Carowinds special. Another way we're delivering the good vibes of the Highlands is with all the good eats, all of them. Our executive chef, Chris Schuta, and his team have been incredibly busy creating the perfect menu for our all-new Blue Ridge Country Kitchen restaurant, right over there. You're gonna love it. In the works are all your favorite Carolina dishes, including rotisserie roasted chicken, beef tenderloin and sausage, collard greens, roasted potatoes, and lots more. And wait until you try his new pizza concoction. It is delicious. Chef Chris is layering a drool-worthy combo of rotisserie chicken, beef, and sausage over a creamy cheese sauce, and he's got the perfect complement for it. A sweet heat called, what else? Copperhead strike sauce. All this food talk is making me so hungry. I can't wait for lunchtime. We'll all get to enjoy some Blue Ridge Country Kitchen goodness soon. Another fan favorite is returning to Blue Ridge Junction. The mountain gliders, right there behind you, which some of you may remember as the Woodstock gliders, are back. They're high-flying fun and will make you feel like an eagle soaring high above the mountains. And I know some of you are really looking forward to getting on those gliders today. But then, of course, there's one more new ride in Blue Ridge Junction, and this one has quite a bite. Twice the bite, in fact. Welcome to Copperhead Strike. Tell you a little bit about it. This transformational coaster is the first of its kind in the Carolinas. Guests jump into their getaway car and head out on a relentless chase through rolling farmland. What on earth could they have done to get into so much trouble? Perhaps Granny Bird and Cletus can shed some light on that. Oh, come on. On this innovative double launch coaster, the dynamics are carefully crafted to offer a thrilling and intense experience. Right out of the station, Copperhead Strike sends riders into a slow JoJo roll, and that'll get your attention, let me tell you. After a dramatic pause, it launches you from an incredible 0 to 42 miles per hour in 2.5 seconds. Then a series of fast, tight, close to the ground maneuvers are tangled with 5 head over heels inversions, the most of any double launch coaster in North America. Without slowing down, the ride launches a second time to accelerate into a memorable hang time loop, leaving you breathless and wondering which way is up. This rattler of a ride never lets up through the entire chase, more than half a mile of steel and adrenaline. Are you ready to ride it? You're gonna get your chance very soon. As you can see, 2019 is a monumental year for Carowinds in many ways. The benefits of these enhancements don't stop at the park's borders, though. Dwayne Parrish, Director of the South Carolina Department of Parks, Recreation, and Tourism, is here to tell us a little bit about the regional economic impacts of this investment.